Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we'll show you how to remove and replace the clutch switch on Ford Fiesta MK7 generation from 2008 to 2017, guys, if you have that Fiesta, including the Fiesta ST, because this one is a 2015 Fiesta ST, and we'll show you how to remove and replace the clutch switch if yours doesn't work, if when you press the clutch down and you cannot start the car, sometimes it's a switch. So let me show you first where it's located. It's not very complicated procedure, but I'm going to show you, okay, where it is. So you can see this is the clutch pedal, of course, okay, and this is the switch, okay, right here. This is the switch now. So on the back side, okay, right here, on the back side you have one notch. I'm going to show you when we remove it, and you pull it towards the center of the vehicle, okay, and then you get it out. Okay, the wire, this is the wire now. That grating, you need to press down, okay, and pull the wires out. Okay, so let me do that quick, okay, and this is the switch. Okay, so let me show you now, okay, where the thing that we pull is. Okay, the switch is installed like that on the car. So this is the thing that you need to push, and then you pull it out. And you install it, guys, exactly in the same way that we took it apart. And there is two canals that go in here, so we'll show you now. I'll get them in and show you how to click it in place. So we get the wire now. Okay, and you need to get it in. It's not as hard, guys, but it's just hard to get the camera and one hand doing the stuff. Okay, the wire is in, like that. Now we need to get the switch. It goes in two canals here. You push it towards the back, okay, and it clicks in place. Okay, and you can see now it's installed and fixed in place. So that's how we do it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and many more videos. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.